Hi you guys out there in YouTube land, Chibi here, and I got my minifigs in this huge box. So here is the start of my minifig army. And it's going to be very interesting to open, just so you know, because it's 2 boxes put together, and it's huge. It's a lot heavier than I thought, too. Ugh. Here we go. I don't know. I'm gonna put this on the ground quick and pull it out. Holy mother of pearl. Okay, I'll move this real quick. Yeah, here are my minifigs and the stuff she sent. I guess she said she sent most of her minifig items because she was just getting rid of all of her minifigs. I will actually probably do a video about all this stuff after I get them out, or I'll see how long this goes, because the longer these videos are, the harder they are too. Holy mother of pearl. She is awesome-tastic. So I'll upload. Okay. Wow, that's just like amazing. So here's the first box. Sorry. I'm just... You don't understand. I originally wanted a body for my Chiron head, but she said she had the Juri 10, I'm quite sure. And I had thought back and forth about a Juri 10 because I like them, but then sometimes they bother me, and sometimes I love them. And there's a hair stuck in the Velcro that keeps their wigs on. Come on. There we go. Let me see her face in the... What's that? Okay. So, here's the Juri 10. Ah. I know, they're just... Oh, wow. She still smells heavy of resin. Wait, maybe that's the... No, that's the box. Fairyland has very distinct, strong resin. But, my first female minifig. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to dress her up. But I actually ended up buying another body for my Chiron head, and I'm definitely going to keep her as is. And I'm not 100% on her name just yet, but I think it's going to be Candy, which is really stupid and everything. But when I was looking at her one time, from the pictures that the girl gave me, for some odd reason, I called her Candy, because sometimes that's how I come up with names. I'll be like, and I'll just say something and that's their name, so I'm weird. But I'm gonna put this box back up and I will get to my Chloe. That way. And for the Chloe. So excited. Oh, her head cap came flying off. It was on top of her head. Let's see. No damage. She doesn't care. Sometimes I think I'm more paranoid about face-ups than their actual ability to get damaged. Because, like, her head cap was just on her head, on her face. Oh god, those eyes are so much, like, so pretty in person. And your arm is all backwards, man. So, stop it. And they're just as kicky as their male counterparts. Here's my Chloe. She is, from the original default, and actually, I know at least some of her default outfit is in some of that stuff, because I saw it when I was getting the bags out, and I saw some of it in the picture she gave me, because she just kind of pictured this all in one huge picture. But to keep this from getting too long, I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the video and start uploading it. And I think I'm going to do some head swapping. So and I'll do another video after I'm done head swapping and getting people dressed. Bye.